My name is Bhumika and I'm an artist. So you know, Piggy Ride always brings for you some fun activities daily. And today we are going to make a small paper bunny, paper rabbit. Okay? This is we are going to make. Okay. So first take out any colorful sheet. Any sheet you can take, any color sheet. And take out scale and a pencil. Mark 28 centimeter length and 5 centimeter breadth. Mark 28 centimeter should be the length and 5 centimeter should be the breadth. And cut this using a scale so that it should be like this. A rectangle, 28 centimeter length and 5 centimeter should be the breadth, and cut it using a scissor. Okay, so what next you have to do? Take a pencil and a scale. Take a pencil and a scale and mark half, that is 14 centimeter. Mark at 14 centimeter. This 14 centimeter with a pencil and a scale. Okay, after that what we have to do? First take the left side and fold it till that dot we have made. Fold it till that dot. And rub your hands where you have folded it. And the right side also fold it till that dot. And rub it using your hands, the corner part. Now take out your Fevicol and on the right side corners, pour the Fevicol at the corners and somewhat at the middle. Okay, and the left side front of the sheet. Then stick it together. It should become like this, so that it becomes this semicircle. After that, what we need? Same color sheet. Take a length 5 centimeter and breadth also 5 centimeter. We have to make a square. Cut it in a square. 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter square shape. After that, what we have to do? Fold this sheet into half. Fold this sheet into half and don't press much. At the center, don't press much, but a little bit. Make a U shape. Take a pencil and make a U shape at the bottom of this sheet. Make a U shape. U shape at the bottom of your sheet. And what we have to do? Cut this U shape. Cut the bottom of this U shape. Cut the bottom of the U shape with a scissor and open it. See, it become like this. So we are continuing with the next step. Take a Fevicol. First take a Fevicol and at the bottom side, don't put the U shape side. 3 shape, don't put it over there. And then at the bottom of this, stick them together and press it with your hands. What we need is a 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter square sheet. 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter square sheet. What we have to do the next? Put it half. Fold it to the half. And press it with your hands. And same way like we did the previous one. Samira, you see this step clearly? Same way like we did the previous one, take a pencil and at the bottom part, make this U shape. At the bottom, make this U shape with your pencil. After cutting it with a scissor, open it. It becomes same like this one. Like we have made this one, it becomes same like this one but little big. What we have to do, take your scissor and this grease part, the center part, cut it with a scissor. It becomes two equal parts. Cut it with a scissor. It becomes two separate parts. At the corners, now we have to stick it. Take one sheet first. And at the corners, we have to stick it like this. See. From the bottom part, both of the side, stick it like this. Okay, so next what we have to do, take a black sketch pen. With a black sketch pen, first start with the first part, the 5 centimeter square that we have made. That part, what we have to do, just make 2 lines. At the center, just make 2 lines. And at the corner side also, just make 2 lines with your black sketch pen. Okay, now we are proceeding with the next step. Take any other sheet. You can take a plain white sheet. Yes. And cut it into 11 into 14 centimeter. 11 centimeter should be the breadth and 14 centimeter should be the length. Fold it in 2 equal parts, but take the 14 centimeter side. Don't take the 11 centimeter side. Don't do like this. Take the 14 centimeter side and fold it in 2 equal parts. So what we have to do with this 11 into 14 sheet, when you have folded into half, 2 parts, what we have to do with this sheet, start with the corner, bottom part, make a big C. Make a big C shape, After that, what we have to do, leave some space at the upper side and make this leaves shape. Now what we have to do, cut this shape with a scissor. When you open it, it looks like this. When you open it, it looks like this. Okay, so what we have to do, take a same color sheet. Take a same color sheet and take a pencil. The color sheet that we have used for this one, take a same color sheet and take a pencil and put your hands at the center and overlap your bunny face with your pencil in that sheet. Manya, now you can use glitter sheet if you want. Now you can use glitter sheet, Manya, if you want. Overlap it with a pencil. And then cut with a scissor. When you get overlapped, then cut with a scissor. Take a black sketch pen. Yes, Abil, very good. Now take a black sketch pen and with a black sketch pen at the center, first make 2 oval shape with your black sketch pen. First make this 2 oval shape and one more oval shape inside these 2 oval shape and color hole with a black sketch pen. And then at the bottom, first make a U shape. For the bottom, first make a U shape and then make a 3. At the bottom, make a 3 shape. At the center, again make an oval inside it and color hole with this black sketch pen. And at the sides put the dot. And make this 3 lines both the side. Okay, now take any other color sketch pen, any dark color sketch pen. Take any dark color sketch pen, any color. I am taking the blue color. You can take any other color as well. And then with this sketch pen, what we have to do, the leaves shape, make it again and overlap it. Make the border of this leaves shape with your black, any other color sketch pen. Both the sides. And then move your sketch pen from up to down only. Move your sketch pen from up to down only and make these lines. Move only up and down. Some big lines and some small lines. Only move up and down. Yes, Ashvi, you can use red color. Move your sketch pen from up to down only. Okay. So next what we have to do, take a rectangle sheet of 3.5 centimeter into 7 centimeter. Length 7 centimeter and breadth should be 3.5 centimeter. Okay, what you have to do with this sheet, fold it in half. Fold it from 3.5 centimeter half. Make one fold and then make one more fold and rub it with your hands properly and open it. It should be like this. Fold the first part back side. Fold the first part, this back side, and the front part and the other part front, and then the last part back side. In a zigzag manner, fold it in a zigzag manner. See, like this. First back side, then front, then back. Okay, so what we have to do, first put a Fevicol at one side and stick it over here. Okay, stick it over here, the front side. Okay, stick it over here, the front side. And then again take a Fevicol and put it over that Fevicol and take the face of your paper bunny and put a face over here and stick it. Yes, you can move the head of your paper bunny. See, like this. Okay. So if you like the session, you can join the classes of the paper craft classes. Okay, thank you all.